Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have b plus b plus b divided by b multiplied by b multiplied by b is equals to 3, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and now we move towards the solution of this problem. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. In this method, you see here b is added by 3 times. We write it as 3 times of b, and it is divided by, here you see that b is multiplied by 3 times, and we write it as b cubed, and this is equals to 3. And further in the next step, we move the term b cubed from left hand side to the right hand side, and we obtain 3b is equals to 3 times of b cubed. And further in the next step, we move the term 3b from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will becomes 3b cubed minus 3b, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these two terms involve 3b. So when we take common 3b from here, we get the remaining values, or from here we get b square minus, when we take common 3b from here, we get 1 only, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write 3b is equals to 0, and the second case is we write b square minus 1 equals to 0. So here we divide both of the sides by 3. So this 3 and this 3 are gone, and we get here b is equals to 0 divided by 3 becomes 0. Here we easily get the first root of the given equation is b equals to 0. And now in the next step, we need to focus on second case, and here we move minus 1 to the right hand side, and we get b square is equals to plus 1. And for the values of b, we take square root on both of the sides, and when we apply square root on both of the sides, these 2 and square root are gone, and we get b is equals to, this is 1, and we write here plus minus 1, or we know about that plus minus 1 is equals to modulus of 1. So these are the other two roots of the given equation which we get here from first method. And in the next step, we need to verify that is these roots be the solution, or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of these roots, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is b plus b plus b divided by b multiplied by b multiplied by b is equals to 3. And here in this side we will be verify b is equals to plus 1, and in this side we will be verify b is equals to minus 1. So first we verify b equals to plus 1, and for this we substitute b equals to plus 1 into the left hand side, and we check its behavior. So when you put it here, it will becomes 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 3. And we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 becomes 3 divided by 1 equals to 3, and we easily get here 3 equals to 3. This shows that the value b equals to 1 is satisfied our given question statement. And now here likewise we verify the second value of b, and we substitute b equals to minus 1 into the given question statement, and it will becomes here minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 1 divided by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 equals to 3. And again you see that we have, this is minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 becomes here minus 3, and when we multiply minus 1 3 times, it is equals to minus 1, and this is equals to 3. So this negative sign and negative sign are gone, and we get here 3 is equals to 3. You see that both of the values of b are satisfied our given question statement. And now here we need to verify the third value of b. So the third value of b is equals to 0, And now we substitute b equals to 0 on both of the sides of the given question, and it will be written as 0 plus 0 plus 0 divided by 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 0 is equals to 3 or not. And here you see that our left hand side becomes 0 over 0 form equals to 3. And you very well know about that 0 over 0 form is usually called that it is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined form. If our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value b is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement, and now we will be called that b equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So here finally we have the solution set of this problem, which we get here from first method is that b equals to plus minus 1. This is our final answer which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method, and here our second method be the very straightforward or quick method, and here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So in this method you see that b is added by 3 times, we write it as 3b divided by, here b is multiplied by 3 times and we write it as b cubed is equals to 3. So you see that this b and this b are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 3 divided by b square equals to 3. And further we move b square from left hand side to the right hand side, and we get 3 is equals to 3 times of b square. And now for the values of b, we divide both of the sides by 3. This and this and this are gone, and we get here 1 is equals to b square. And this implies that when we apply square root on both of the sides, we will get here b is equals to plus minus 1. Okay, so we apply square root on both of the sides and we get b is equals to plus minus 1. So in the first method we already verify that both of these two values satisfied our given question statement, and finally we have the solution set of this problem is b equals to plus minus 1. This is our final answer which we get here from second method. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.